this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel. Here we have a very odd duck. This is a newer Jeep Wrangler with the 392 big V8 with a modified exhaust. So it's a very loud Jeep, which I was told I will enjoy. And now we're off on just a quick little test drive, bringing it back to the shop that I work at. But wanted to share the experience, as I love to share the experience of different types of vehicles. This one is something I've never seen before. I think I've ridden in one of these before, but I've never driven one before. So driving, Jeeps, it's a little different the way they ride. You're obviously up a lot higher, but this one is a newer Jeep. It's very modern. Actually has some nice switchgear. I like the way the shifter works. It's got a nice big infotainment, very modern. But this one is modified, and it's got a lot of cool stuff going on. But I'm just here to take it home. So let's enjoy the sounds of the Jeep. The big V8. Of course, there's a Tesla in front of me. There's always a Tesla in front of me. That's just life. Some nice little pops in the exhaust. Of course, there's more Teslas. There's a Cybertruck coming at us. Wherever you go. Oh, this little baby makes some noise. As exciting as it's going to get, so I'll leave you with that. But really cool sounding Jeep with a custom exhaust, 392 powered. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.